So, this is a sound journey and a prayer of gratitude for God and His creation. Please close your eyes as you become fully aware of this present moment, as you are sitting here in this beautiful historical stone church with your family and friends. Become aware of where you are on the earth. Become aware of your surroundings and that you are surrounded by the mountains, the forests, the meadows, and the gardens of Hogsback. Think of your favorite natural place in Hogsback. That place that brings you connection with something bigger than yourself, God and His creation. The Lord is my shepherd, nothing is lacking. He lays me down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. Psalm 23. In this space that you favor in Hogsback, hear God's water flow down to the sea, crystal clear. Feel God's water quench your thirst. Feel God's sun kiss your skin and warm your heart. Feel God's breeze blow through your hair and the leaves of the trees. Listen to God's song all around you and within you. You are a part of His creation. Feel God's earth underneath your feet as you sow a seed of compassion, as you tend to the seedling of your compassion for all of God's creation, and as you harvest the fruits of your compassion. We honor God and thank Him for His creation and bestowing us as earthly caretakers of His creation.